A fire drill log is a structured record used to document details of fire drills conducted within the workplace, including dates, times, personnel involved, evacuation times, and any observations or follow-up actions. This template plays a crucial role in helping HR or SHAKE offices monitor preparedness, identify gaps in emergency response, and ensure compliance with workplace safety regulations. It also supports continuous improvement by allowing organizations to review performance over time and take corrective action where necessary. Keeping an accurate fire drill log enhances safety awareness and readiness among employees. So let's start exploring how to use this helpful template effectively. This worksheet, which is our fire drill log report, is a dedicated worksheet designed to display a detailed summary of a single fire drill entry. This report pulls data dynamically from the main log table using the drill ID entered in cell C7. It ensures consistency, accuracy, and up-to-date reporting for each recorded drill. This structured report format supports safety documentation and internal reviews, helping SHAKE or HR offices monitor compliance and assess readiness. Its design allows for easy printing or saving, which is useful during audits, safety inspections, or when sharing records with relevant teams. In this fire drill log report worksheet, I've included two essential buttons, Save as PDF and Save as Word, to help you export the report in your preferred format. Once you retrieve the drill record by entering a valid drill ID in cell C7, you can simply click one of these buttons to generate a clean, printable version of the report. This functionality is especially helpful for documentation, sharing with safety teams, or presenting during safety audits and meetings. It ensures all critical fire drill details are properly formatted and ready for distribution or archiving. Below the Save buttons, I've added hyperlinked shapes that provide quick navigation between worksheets, making it easier and faster to access key sections of the fire drill log workbook. Now, to retrieve data for a specific fire drill, enter the new fire drill ID in cell C7 and click anywhere within the worksheet. If an error appears, it's likely because the entity isn't recorded in the main table. To prevent such errors, always verify the ID against the main table before entry. For a deeper understanding of Excel formulas and functions, please check out my tutorial on Excel formulas and functions. The link is provided in the video description below. Now, let's click on the Fire Drill Log Records to view the main worksheet of this workbook. Capturing fire drills in a structured table with rows is important for a SHAKE officer because it ensures organized, consistent documentation of each drill conducted. This format makes it easier to track frequency, identify gaps, evaluate safety preparedness over time, and demonstrate compliance during audits or inspections. It also helps analyze trends, improve response strategies, and maintain accountability among participants and safety personnel. Column D is used to record unique fire drill IDs, which help in retrieving specific data for the report worksheet. This is the column we reference to fetch each row's full record. Above the main table, I've included user-friendly buttons designed to simplify data handling tasks. These buttons allow you to quickly search through the table, add new records, delete existing ones, and even save selected ranges as a Word or PDF document. There's also a filtering feature to help you view only the data that matches specific criteria. These tools are especially helpful for improving speed, accuracy, and overall efficiency when working with fire drill data in the workbook. Above the main table and beside the summary table, there's a cell that displays the current time, updated continuously using a macro. Right next to this time display is the Set Daily Reminder button. When clicked, it allows you to set a specific alert message and time. Once the set time is reached, the message will be read aloud, helping SHAKE offices stay on schedule with safety checks or key tasks. This feature enhances time management and accountability. To see exactly how it works, please watch my full SHAKE Officer Workbook tutorial linked in the description below. Positioned above the main table is a summary table that displays several key indicators. Since I did not include dashboard, I've included the total count of fire drills here, calculated using a formula that sums all records from the start date. If you wish to determine the number of fire drills conducted within a specific date range, simply enter the start date in cell D8 and the end date in cell E8. Please note, wherever the term evaluations appears, it should be corrected to fire drills. Upon adjusting the dates, the total number of fire drills for the specified period will automatically update in cell D9, which is merged with cell E9. Additionally, I've implemented a drop-down list in cell E3, allowing you to manually select the current frequency of fire drills. This feature is particularly useful when preparing presentations or reports. In the Notes and Instructions worksheet, I've included helpful explanations for users navigating this template. This section offers clear guidance on how to use the workbook effectively, including a breakdown of each table column header. I've explained what type of data should be entered in each column and highlighted the benefits of capturing that information accurately. This helps ensure that the Shake officer or any user inputs consistent and meaningful data throughout the workbook. To wrap up, the Fire Drill Log template is a powerful and structured tool designed to help Shake officers accurately monitor, record, and review fire drill activities. It ensures consistent documentation, simplifies data analysis, and supports compliance with workplace safety standards. Don't forget to explore the related buttons, reminders, and reports included to enhance your tracking process. For more guidance, make sure to watch my full Shake workbook overview tutorial, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.